Alright, what else is he complaining about over here?
Handlebars.
Handlebars. Okay, if you tighten up this nut, so you'll have more free play.
Yeah, it's okay.
No, so yeah, so it started months ago. My wife has been like about to fall off the goddamn cliff every week for the last
You know we can hear you.
8 weeks.
She might hear you. Yeah, Walker don't like his cable. Let's see how the brake work. Oh, that's a piece of junk. Oh, that's a nice front end. Yeah, this is a very strong front end. You'll love this. Yeah, this is pretty good. Everybody likes these little narrow front ends that are old. Now look what happens when you pull the lever up here. Look at the flex of the front end. I'm not pulling the bar either, I'm just working the brake lever. So you can see how everything's flexing. Yeah, it's pretty good. I don't think he's even tightened his bolts up yet. Are these bolts tight?
It should be.
Your front end twists like crazy when I just hit the brake lever. I've never seen one flex that bad. What kind of bolt did you get? Ooh, a 3/8. What grade is that?
I don't know.
That is called a Chang Banger bolt. Pull that back out. This is no rating on it. It looks like something that comes in a hardware kit. Throw it away.
Okay.
Give me one that's got some marks on the top or rusty.
I was trying to get down there for months.
Everybody asked how your back was.
Freaking sucks.
Your back sucks?
My son,
Or you suck? You suck or your back?
Well, that too.
Okay.
I can't move. I can't go to the right or go to the left or go sit up or stand down. You know.
Well, you won't go out to see my buddy, so.
No, I've been marrying my daughter off for the last month.
A month to get rid of her.
A lot longer than that, but the
Okay.
last month it's been nothing but that. 7 women.
It's rubbing against the
At one
head.
point,
head.
it's 10 women and 2 gay guys. That makes it 12 women.
How many is that?
12 that I've been dealing with.
Now,
Even total. 12 women. They were the bridesmaids.
Hey, look, I got one that's kind of rusty and it has markings.
now we're talking. Fred, is that a good bolt?
Well, the other
That's an
side is
8.
more important.
That's
yeah,
an
that's
8.
a grade 8, man. You put some
That's
heavy
a
duty
big
stuff
dollar
on.
bolt there.
Good thing I found it in the junk pile.
Well, they still don't matter. It's a grade 8.
That's a motor mount bolt for a Harley.
So
All
that
right.
means my kicker pedal won't come off.
That means I'm gonna charge you at least $1 for that.
No, I've been shuffling 7 people, chauffeuring 7 people around.
So
Head cook,
you could have used your
bottle
Coke bottle remover over here.
Head
You like
bottle
that?
washer.
Why don't you do that instead of breaking my workbench over
Lining it
there?
up and it's positioned in the right place to cut.
Look whose bikes it on. Come on, give me a
You
break.
can open your bottle sideways and spill beer and waste a beer, man. Alcohol abuse.
Alcohol abuse.
What the hell?
What's that, Fred? Alcohol abuse?
man.
Coming from Fred?
Like, well, you gotta open it up and down, not sideways.
He likes Jack anyways. Who
Oh, so
cares?
the other.
Wait, did it?
Yeah, it's not. It's
Oh yeah, no, that's moved.
Yeah. So So we were having this this lunch thing after the wedding.
Is that tight yet? What's wrong? Using the right side nut?
Yeah.
Putting a coarse thread nut on a fine thread bolt?
I was like, "Where's our bottle opener?" I said, "You pop the bottle opener." I took a pair of Converse.
Is it tight yet? You have to actually tighten it.
How do you do that? I'm like, "What do you mean?" You know, because I did it right across my thing.
There we go.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
You sure? Well, put some more torque on it.
See that again?
You gonna break it?
Yeah, I need the bottle opener.
No, it's grade 8.
Here's the tongue.
There you go. Okay.
There you go.
Does that slide back and forth now?
Nope.
Darn, it doesn't go boop, boop, boop back and forth anymore. Imagine that. Jeez. So now it's not going to chew up your brake, your kicker lever as you're kicking it every time. That's how them things get always worn out all the time. More junk we're working on. How's the toolbox? It falling off yet?
Nope.
What happened to your titty picture? You got a warrior picture in there now.
No, there wasn't tits. Those are all over the gas tank. I mean, oil tank.
You can't even see them anymore.
Yeah, I know. I need to get a new one.
I like this paint job though. It's custom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
High temps.
Okay, what else are we gonna do? I got some real work to do.
The what?
I got real work to do. What else you got to work on?
We're gonna.
I tightened the cable up. It was loose. You're good. You have
Did
to
you show
measure.
them how dope this was?
You have to measure it up.
Right.
I like how the front end was a piece of crap. Look at this. Yeah, it's got some serious flex in there. Look at that.
How do we fix that?
Fix what?
That
Somebody said the first.
Could put a fork brace in there.
The first thing you want to do.
It looks like you've had these things up this high though, so you've been bouncing off shit.
I was checking shit. I was checking my brakes earlier today.
And an air conditioner.
And they worked.
Well, these front ends weren't very strong, and I'm sure it's not new
Those are
anymore.
the guys you want to warm.
But they do make fork braces. I probably even have some tweak bars. They call them tweak bars.
Yeah.
But you can't clamp it right here if you're going all the way up to here.
Yeah. So can't we clamp it here?
Yeah, you can clamp it there. You gain a little bit of strength, but you don't have any more fender brackets to put a real one on there. If you had your fender brackets still on, you could use the motocross ones that went across the top.
No, these were the K's, so they came down here.
Yeah, they got one right here. Yeah, that's right. You have to do a hose clamp. You can do the one that had the U-bolts around it though, and it would still work, but whatever. Looks like the headlight got put back on.
Oh yeah, no, this is that one's broken.
Got the factory rattle in it? That's perfect. Well, that's yellow anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's loose. Is all this stuff tight? You like this bolt here and these bolts up here?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes a difference.
So we just need a.
Hell no, that's the Navy.
All right, let's get this clean off my rack. I got important stuff to work on.
Yeah, we're throwing these on.
Oh, I'm not putting those on. I got to work on Alan's bike.
All right, well then I can put these on.
You can work on those. You can do that out in the dark outside. Fred can help you.
Right here.
I know.
There you go.
I'm useless, man. Telephone.
Yeah, get the phone. All right, see, Fred already saw a problem with your bike. So you got this big gap in here. This is supposed to be tight against this, which holds it against in here with a taper. So that means your front end's loose.
Hey,
So we pull out the cap.
Billy, it's Fred.
The fork leg is right up here, up this high,
How much? Hang
which
on.
means it's hitting right against this O-ring
He's working
and the
on it.
shoulder. So you had the O-ring jammed halfway in. So you pretty much rubber mounted your fork. It's not supposed to be around. It's supposed to be solid mounted. So this is all bogus. So you don't have the push-in bushings. You have the slip-in bushings from both sides, which means you have a 73 and later tree
Do you need something right now, or you want to call?
on an early fork. What you want? Yeah, whatever. So you have a 73 and later tree, which is what size?
I don't know.
35 millimeter.
Oh yeah, when I need a 33.4.
And you got these on what size?
33.4.
Whatever. You know what I call them?
What?
1 5/16 and 1 3/8, because that's what they are.
Okay.
It's an American bike.
All right.
So 1 3/8 is the other one, and this is 1 5/16. So you have the wrong tree on this bike. So this tree here does not match this. So that's why all this whole front end is really, really flopping all over the place, because it's not tight up in here. It's just laying in here.
Okay.
So you're
So
chasing the
instead of being a party booby
Yeah,
trap,
he's
it's a
got
death
bullets
trap,
in-
which
Yeah.
we already knew that.
Yeah, that's why it's called the booby trap.
On the left.
So you have the wrong tree on here. So what you need to do is you need to put a correct tree on the bike,
Yeah, he's got a place
and
out
then you can
there.
fix all these problems.
All right. Well,
You're gonna talk to him about renting it?
I
or
know
what?
you've got a tree laying around to go on this, so it shouldn't be a problem.
all right. Well, let's go find a tree.
I don't have to find them. I know where they're at.
All right.
They're on that bench behind the wall behind me.
Okay.
But we're not going to work on your bike. We're going to work on Alan's bike, because he was here first.
All right. Well, then I'll bring it back tomorrow.
So this is an unsafe vehicle that we need to red tag it, because we know it's not safe. Right, Fred? We got a red tag because we know it's not safe.
Yeah, tag out, lock out, tag out.
All right. Which bike do I get to
Got my
rent?
safety shoes on.
You can borrow Fred's bike.
Borrow mine. So wrong top or what? Or wrong
Yeah,
tubes
wrong
or
top.
wrong?
It's just wrong everywhere.
It's a big booger of everything.
It's pretty much a piece of crap. We already
The
knew
only
that.
thing worth working on is that little bottle cap holder there. Huh?
That's it?
Everything else is no.
Now, what kind of top tree you want? You want chrome? You want steel?
Chrome.
You want aluminum?
I want chrome top and bottom.
You're running underinflated too, because your titties real high and you're real low here.
So it's underinflated.
You're not wearing on this where you're supposed to be. So you got to put more air in there than 20 pounds.
Okay. Well, then let's put some air in that thing
Got
too.
worn right in here.
All right.
You got all kinds of issues with this vehicle.
All right.
All right, so you got to find a tree. Where's your tree?
I don't know. Over there, he said. So we're gonna go do that.